Hey, what's up you guys, and today we've got a new beach cart here that I'm gonna show you. This is the new Vevor Beach Cart. So we're gonna open this one and see what's inside. So one thing that I really like about this Vevor company is that the delivery is very quick. They have warehouses here in Australia, which is very good. And with the price is $253. And as you can see, that's all we've got here. I'm just gonna unpack everything, then we'll see what we've got here. Look at the wheels, that's too heavy. Pump. So these are the parts. We'll go and check the manual. It's very easy. So basically this is the setup. So I've just taken them off the packages. These are the frames, your rod holders. We've got at least 8 of these. I just put 5 here. And this is gonna be for the handle. So this video is gonna make everything easy for you. You don't need to check the manual because I'm gonna make it really easy for you. Look at those bolts there. There's too many sizes. So if you watch this video till the end, I'm gonna make it very easy for you guys. So we got the M6 45 bolts, M5 16 bolts, M5 35 bolts, M6 20 bolts. You gotta make sure you've got all that. And this is the first thing that we're gonna do. We're gonna connect this and join this together. So we'll take this one off. What you want to do is you're gonna need an M35 bolts here to connect them. And you're gonna use this one as well as your connector here in the middle. So what I normally do is I put that one here just to balance the height, so it's not difficult. I'm just gonna bolt everything. That's your M35. So we've done that at the bottom here. That's all been bolted. But the only issue here is this spanner is actually not the right fit, so I have to use my own tool. So what we have to do now is to do the top bit like so. It's the same process. We're gonna use the M35s and these plates here, like that. I'm just gonna bolt them first. So just hand tighten that. Easy. Then you'll do the same for the rest. And I've just put 2 boxes there to level this up. So what we're gonna do is, this is the handle here, and we're gonna use the M645 bolt here. So it's very easy, guys. That's the Allen head here. That's the long screw. Just put it there and screw them together. Yeah, that should be it. Then put the top part as well. Just this one. We've just put an M20 here. That's a shorter bolt, as you can see there. And we're gonna put this top, we're gonna put this top part of the handle. It just slides there in that square, just like so. Then we'll use another 20. Just hand tighten that there. So that should be okay. Then we'll put this one here at the top using the longer bolt, the M45. So you can see that it's almost level, so it's not difficult. So that's my little hack there. M45 I mean. Then bolt that one there. This is so easy to assemble. I'm not a mechanic or an expert. If you just follow the manual, you should be fine. So that's how it should look like. So that's the Allen screw that it came with. Pretty easy. So I'm not gonna tighten everything yet. So if you notice now, how does it get balanced? It's this one, guys. It's this rod holder here. It has 8 because that's the main purpose for this one. It's gonna support the whole system, and it's just the Allen that we can pass through here, through this one here. So this is the longer Allen that you have to use there. So I'm not gonna tighten it yet. So we put all the rod holders here, guys. There's 6 of them. So it's very tough and rigid now. So the next step will be to put our wheel axle here. But before that, we're gonna inflate our tires first using this hand pump here. The feeling I've got with this one is it feels cheap and ordinary, but we'll just try. And if you see this one here, this is actually our pressure guide. So how it works is we'll just connect it that way, and you should not be exceeding the size of this thing. This is the measurement. So if you overinflate your tires, that's gonna be a big problem as well. So it should be 330 millimeters. Overinflating will damage the wheel, so we don't wanna do that. And the max payload for these wheels is 55 kilos only. You can overload as well, but 55 kilos is a fair bit of weight. And our next step would be to put the wheels, put there. Look at that color, it's nice orange. And all you need to do is to put this pin lock here. I'll show you. This one here. So it's like this. Just put it there, and this one should match here. We're just gonna push that button. It will find its way, and it should lock in place, guys, like that. Like so. So it should be this one out, valve out. And then we put this locking pin here. And here we go, guys. That's our beach cart. And I've just connected this handle here, so you can see. So it's just the M35 here, which I will just tighten. It's very easy. That's the only one last piece. It's very easy, guys. If you follow the step-by-step tutorial, it'll take you less than 10 minutes to set this one up.